Carl Bogart here for Historic Military Impressions, your premier provider of museum quality exhibits designed to add value to short-term events. Well, as you can see on the table in front of me, I have a whole bunch of helmet liners and one helmet. Something happened a couple days ago that if I didn't see it for myself, I would not have believed it. Matter of fact, several people I told about it didn't believe me that it was even possible. What happened was, we had a gentleman come in who was at an estate sale and bought a really nice Vietnam era helmet, very much like this one I grabbed off the showroom floor. And he got it at an estate sale, and the family said that it belonged to their father, who served in Vietnam first and then eventually served all the way through Desert Storm. So obviously started with the M1 and then eventually transitioned to the Kevlar in the Marine Corps. And when I turned it over, I was flabbergasted at something I discovered about the liner. Which, and before I show you, I'm going to jump back a little bit and say, how many times have you picked up liners just to find the suspensions are all rotted away, like this World War II one, or like this which was a paratrooper liner. The suspension's completely gone with the exception of the one H harness on the side. And I started thinking about it, but what it was when I turned the liner over, and matter of fact, the gentleman actually brought me the liner and gave it to me for this purpose. Anyhow, the helmet was a front seam helmet with the black hardware for the Vietnam chin strap, which Marine Corps recycles helmets a lot, and that's very common. I've seen it before. Matter of fact, one of the pristine ones with writing all over it, my son, when he was younger, got a picture of him wearing it at one of our very first Vietnam experience events in Berwyn, Illinois. Was a mixture of a World War II shell all the way through the Vietnam era liner. But this liner is a World War II liner. It has the pinhole here. It has the little pieces to hold the chin strap on. But I noticed it had the 1980s version of the suspension, the type of suspension that you would be able just to pop onto those little circles to replace it quite quickly. So I popped off the front one here, and what I discovered underneath it was the A washer and the khaki webbing from the original World War II suspension that locks on to the front of the A washer like it was designed to do that. I've never seen it before, and I started thinking about maybe when they designed this suspension that the original purpose might have actually been to take helmets like this or like this, and basically instead of replacing the helmet, you would cut out the webbing and just basically take this new replaceable suspension and pop it right onto the front of the A washers and make them serviceable again. So, like I said, if you ever get a helmet, you're looking at what to do, you want to use it for reenacting or kids to play with, it's an option that I didn't know until about a week ago was even possible. So, hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, this is Carl Bogart once again signing off for Historic Military Impressions. And thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for subscribing. Please share our videos. And until next time, I hope you have a great summer.